Hello and thank you for joining us today. Fatima the Camel and I are happy to see you here. Yes, Anne and I are excited to have you join us, and I'm also excited because Fatima, we gotta share the screen a little bit. Can we share the screen? How about we show everybody what came in the SlayGlamBox for January? Okay, let's put this down. I get excited for this box because people seem to like it when I do swatches. And I'm doing swatches today. First up, we have an eyeliner in the shade Copper Rock. It is from the company Crown. And I am discovering that eyeliners also make interesting eyeshadows. So I will be playing with that more in future videos and future shorts. From Rasha B Cosmetics, we have a liquid eyeshadow. And from what I understand, I think this was supposed to go in the December box, but there were some delays. And so we have it now. It has a gold, green, rose gold, pink color to it. I'm not digging in quite yet because I still have some open and I don't want this to dry out. This packaging is just too stinking cute. This is a lip product, liquid lip, and it is in a wine bottle. There is the shade. It is in shade 05. There's a cute little label on it. From Okalon, we have a highlighter palette. It is the Glowing Palette Face Palette Shimmer Kit. These are some fun looking highlighter shades to get to play around with. We're not going to dig into this one today because I still have a lot of highlighters open. I think the highlighter police are likely to come after me. So we're going to leave this one packaged up. I do look forward to playing with it, but I need to sort through some other highlighters and decide which ones I'm going to keep and which ones need to move along. From Moira, we have an eyeshadow palette. What I did find interesting is that on the back of the palette, some of these colors seem different than what is in the palette. This palette has a mirror and also some great looking shades. I can't wait to do swatches. I was definitely intrigued by the variety of shades and the embossing on this palette. So Camel and I are going to scoot over so we can pop in a picture. Cue the music. The Camel will now do swatches. Nice job with the swatches, Camel. Thank you. I like doing swatches. Did anyone see a color in that palette that they liked? Comment down below. I want to know. I am curious and nosy. And now getting down to the nitty-gritty of things. You mean the pricing? I mean the pricing. The Rasha B Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow was approximately $15. This box does not come with a card, so I have to look stuff up online, and that was the best guesstimate that I could get for that product. The Crown Copper Rock eyeshadow in EP04 is, I think, approximately $2. It appears that it was part of a set. The Romantic Beauty Sparkling Wine Liquid Lipstick with a matte finish is approximately $4, and it was in the shade 05. The Okalon Highlighter Face Palette was $13, and the Moira Celestial Love Eyeshadow Palette was $17.50, giving me a box value of $51.50, which I think was a very nice value. This box is $24 a month. The shipping is free. By the time you put sales tax on that, for me, it is $25.86. So again, I think getting $50+ and change for my $25 and change investment, I think that was a good investment. Very nicely done this month for SlayGlamBox. Yes, it was nicely done. What item tickled your fancy from this box? Let us know down below. I'm curious. I want to know. And we would love to have you join our family and subscribe to our channel. Yes, we have fun adventures over here. And please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and all that other good stuff. And there should be something popping up on the screen if you haven't seen the video already. Or if you've seen it, watch it again. Yes, we like people watching our videos. Thanks for tuning in today, and we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.